Hello, this is Jennifer McCarty, and I am going to tell you about one of my favorite resources that I use in my classroom, and it is Quizizz. So I think this goes with the ISTE standard for teachers 2A, and it's all about designing or adapting learning experiences that incorporate a digital tool, and I use this regularly. I use this as a review. I use it just as a fun activity to do with kids to see what they know. There's a lot of different ways that you can use Quizizz. So I just hop on and I sign on with Google. And then it's pretty simple. So if you see over here, you can search for a lot of different topics. So right now I'm teaching kids dividing decimals. So let's see what they have. Divide decimals. Then this shows me all the quizzes that people have already made. So this first one here shows that it has been used a lot, and it's for 5th grade. So this is one that I would probably want to use, so I would check it out. Over here it shows it to me on the side. It kind of gives me an idea of the questions that's in there, and that's one I would definitely like to use for my classroom. So I would hit add right here, and then I would add it to math, and then I hit done because I have different folders for mainly what I use. So that was pretty easy. And then if you go over here to the left side, there's a column that says My Quizzes. And now it should show that quiz in here. These are all quizzes. I have made some of them, and some of them I have taken from other people that they've made. So I use it mainly for math and social studies, and my kids love it. It gets them up and moving. I either do it as individual work or I do it as with a partner. So, and it's super easy to make your own quiz. So if you want to make your own, you just hit create new quiz. And then enter the name. So let's say I want to do divide decimals again. If I can spell it right. And then it's English. And then I just hit save. That stuff's pretty general. To create a new question, you would just hit create new question. You type your question here, and then your response. And then to make that your choice, you can put the green there, and that means that's going to be your answer. You can change the time. And one thing I like is, even though it shows that it has a time limit, if the kids don't answer it in that time, it still gives them time to complete the question before they move on. And what I like about this one is it's self-paced. So you're going at your own time, and it's a random order of questions. So if I'm working on this quiz and the person next to me is working on it, we'll be on complete different questions because it randomizes the order, and it's all based on your own personal time. Sometimes on my smartboard I will have the leaderboard, and that just shows like where kids are answering, and I feel like that kind of gives them incentive. I don't always show that. And one thing that the kids really love is that it provides funny memes. So if you get it right, it puts a funny meme in there. If you get it wrong, you still get a meme. So it kind of motivates you a little bit. And it plays a little bit of background music. I absolutely love Quizizz. I'm happy I learned about this. It just gives you so many options. So I'm going to exit this quiz. And it shows you like reports too. So like this is the last one that I did with my class. So if you go down here, you can see the names of who did it, so sorry about that. But it shows you this first group got them all right. This group got 2 questions wrong, 2, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. So that's not the best, but it shows you the questions that the kids answered, and I love this part. So it shows how they did, and I look at the overview a lot because this chart is so helpful. So I can see that, okay, question 6, the kids really struggled with that. Not really struggled, but a few kids got it wrong. So I really like to look at this because it shows me the percentages of the amount of kids who got it right or wrong, and then those are the ones we go back through and review. So Quizizz is just a really great thing. I've slowly been teaching all the other teachers how to use it, and I just think it provides a lot of fun.